Yo, what's up, Barrio Bills family? It's your boy Kubo. Today I got my daughter Siani with me. We're gonna be doing an install on some rear strut bar on the EG. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the part and then what we're gonna do to install that. Once again, thanks everyone for everybody's support. And there's a alligator over there. Oh. Alrighty, we got the strut bar right here. This is the rear strut bar. Thanks DC Sports for the nice hookup. But this is the part that we're going to be installing today. Sheesh. Alright, we got this back here nice and dandy. That's where the part's going to go. I removed these little plastic covers. Also, I have this Dremel right here because we're gonna need to cut it a little bit on both sides so that the strut bar, the basement, can fit in there nice and flush and secure. But yep, there's gonna be two 14 mil bolts that you have to take off right there, and then two 14 mil over here, and you can take those off and then install the other part. Let's get it. Alright, I ended up getting another Dremel because the other one was butt cheeks, but made some more room there, made some more room there. Definitely looks better, so these components can fit in there. Look at that. Out, done. One over here, and this bad boy's gonna fit in there. Alright guys, after using the Dremel, turning some wrenches, and 30 minutes later, here's the final product. Check it out. Secured those 14 millimeter bolts on both sides. That will be four of them. But there it is, nice and strapped down. Definitely looks nice. Thank you very much again, DC Sports and Redline 360. That's the outcome of that rear strut bar install. Second, we're going to be doing the front strut bar once it gets here. And last, most likely, I'll be doing the whole paint job on the car. This is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys. Barrio Builds, we out.